What is the most important thing to do immediately after a car accident? Well, frankly, there's several of them. Number one, make sure that you keep all the information you have on the person who caused the collision. And keep it in a safe place, not just on your phone. Because ideally what you're going to want is their name, their address, their phone number, their driver's license number. The second important thing to do is to make sure that you keep also in a safe place any photos that you took of the accident scene and the cars involved. It is amazing how often that type of evidence makes such a difference in helping to understand that the other person was actually at fault for causing the collision. Even if they admit they're at fault at the scene, sometimes, not always, but sometimes they change their stories when they talk to the insurance company. The third important thing to do is to make sure that you're keeping the information on any witnesses, once again, in a secure place. The last thing you want is to have it in your phone and have your phone lost or destroyed, and you've lost all of that information that could become very critical down the line. The next important thing to do is get the medical treatment you need as soon as possible. Do not delay getting checked out by a medical provider. Oftentimes we'll talk to people who said, well, I thought everything was going to be fine. And it's not until 5, 6, 7 weeks later that they finally see a medical provider. And that can cause a lot of problems down the line with your case. Because the insurance company will often say, well, if you were really hurt, you would have seen the doctor sooner. Right? So, and also you want to get the medical treatment you need as soon as possible so you can have a full recovery. And the next thing you want to do is be contacting the insurance company for the car that you were in when you're injured, because that is the insurance company that's going to be paying your medical bills. Thank you.